Hi, this is Amish Agarwal. I'm an advocate. I practice law in Delhi. I came to do a matter for physical hearing in the Tisari courts, and I thought I'll also give a brief explainer on how to kick out a tenant who is not paying rent, who you don't like, or any other circumstance because of which you want to kick the tenant out. This is how you do it very, very quickly. You send a legal notice to vacate the premises. Of course, he will not reply or he'll give a vague reply. You file a civil suit for eviction and also mean profits. In that, you give all the details, you file it in the court issues summons. Within 30 days of issuance of summons, the defendant must file his reply before the court. If he does not, or if he files it at a later stage after 30 days, you can file an application under Order 8, Rule 10 of the CPC, asking for striking off of the defense of the defendant. Arguments will happen if the person is sound enough to understand that he will be liable for mean profits, spelled MESNE, mean profits, then he himself will vacate the premises as soon as the civil suit is filed. If he doesn't, the meter still keeps going on. But this is how I was effectively able to get the possession of the premises back to the client very, very quickly, within a span of around 3 months from the date the dispute arose. I just came out from a matter in which the defendant is still in the premises. Of course, he will be liable to pay mean profits, but to just hurry up, quicken up the process, because the defendant in this particular case is filing cases of defamation, and of course, is trying all his level best to antagonize the plaintiff landlord some more. In this kind of a situation, we filed an application for striking off the defense of the defendant because he did not file the written statement on time, and then we filed another application under Order 12, Rule 6 for judgment on admission, saying that once there is no defense, all the pleadings in the plaint should be presumed to be true, and on the basis of that, a judgment on admissions can be passed. Notice for eviction was served. The landlord, the plaintiff is the landlord of the property. All the conditions are fulfilled. The court should pass an order of eviction. Of course, a little long date was given by the court, and hopefully in the first month of 2021 itself, the landlord will get peaceful vacant possession of the premises back to him. Even if he does not, he is still entitled to mean profits, that is the rent which was payable by the tenant till the date that the tenant vacates the premises. He is liable to still pay in the court, but that of course will go on for even longer. That's a tribal issue. Evidence will be led by both the parties, and then there will be a conclusion. But at the very least, to get the premises out of the clutches of your tenant at the earliest possible opportunity, this is what you do. And I'm making this video because I've seen a lot of times, I've had landlords come and tell me that they did not want to litigate with the tenant because they understand they have to go to court. They cannot push the tenant out by themselves, and then they're afraid, they don't understand, they feel that it'll take years to get the tenant out. I have seen certain situations in which the cases get dragged on for years and the tenant is still in the possession of the property. That, however, is just the mistake of the lawyer. Sometimes a little bit misfortune like the lockdown, or perhaps some lapse in the procedural formalities which are required. But if all things are taken care of, you can very, very quickly get that tenant evicted. That's it. Chalo.